Almost 5 years have passed since the 3rd of September in 2007, the day when work on the Panama Canal expansion program formally began. Rigorous and dedicated efforts have resulted in notable progress in each of the major components of this colossal undertaking. The construction of new locks on the Pacific and Atlantic sides. The excavation of a new channel for post-Panamax vessel transit known as the Pacific Access Channel or PAC, rising Gatun Lake's operational level. Dredging of the Pacific and Atlantic entrances, as well as Gaylord Cut and Gatun Lake. First, let's talk about the design and construction of the locks on the Pacific and Atlantic sides. This is the largest and most complex component under the expansion program. At $3.2 billion, the contract was awarded to Grupo Unidos por el Canal on July 15, 2009. That same year, on August 25th, the contractor officially initiated the work. A significant number of the 20,000 jobs created to date correspond precisely to the construction of the new locks, which will have 3 chambers, water-saving basins, and a lateral filling and emptying system. By the end of April, the project, whose execution includes the design, fabrication, and construction in different countries around the world of the different elements required by the new locks, recorded a 24% progress rate. In order to comply with the requirements of the lock's filling and emptying system, the contractor performed in Lyon, France, a series of tests with scale ships employing a physical model. The ACP accepted the final designs for the new gates and valves. Fabrication of the gates has already begun in Italy by subcontractor Shimolai, and 4 of the 16 gates are already being assembled. The first gate is expected to be completed in August, and the first 4 gates should arrive in Panama in March 2013. Valves are being fabricated by Hyundai Samho Heavy Industries in South Korea. The first shipment of valves is expected in July 2012. Regarding the construction component, the contractor is placing structural concrete in the areas of the upper, middle, and lower chambers on both the Atlantic and Pacific sites. Work on the locks advances as another contractor moves forward with the creation of the new access channel that will link the 3rd set of locks on the Pacific side to the Culebra Cut. This program component is known as the Pacific Access Channel, or PAC. 3 of the 4 phases which make up this project have already been completed. The 4th and final phase currently registers a 61% progress rate. As part of the work under this last phase, construction of a 2.3 kilometer long dam moves ahead to separate the waters of Miraflores Lake from the new Pacific Access Channel. In the area closest to Culebra Cut, south of the Centennial Bridge, Belgian company Jan de Nul is dredging 4 million cubic meters and has achieved 70% progress thus far. The remaining dredging projects are also pressing on at a very good pace. Work at the Pacific entrance, contracted to Dredging International, a Belgian company, has now reached 85% progress. On Gatun Lake and Culebra Cut, 2/3 of the dredging work is being performed by Panama Canal in-house forces. The rest was awarded to 2 contractors, Jan de Nul, dredging the northern entrance to the new Pacific Access Channel, and Dredging International, who has already completed the dredging of the northern reaches of Gatun Lake's navigational channel. Overall, lake channel dredging has attained a 71% progress rate. The incessantly moving expansion program acknowledges that water is one of its most vital resources. Reason why, as part of the component to improve water supply, a project to increase Gatun Lake's maximum operating level is underway. Increasing the freshwater reservoir implies changes in different fronts. So far, 11 of 14 spillway gates have already been extended and installed. Parallel to these works, activities are underway for the conservation of archaeological and paleontological items found under the expansion program. Incidentally, the fossil of a precursor of camels was found in the vicinity of Culebra Cut. These findings are very valuable for scientific research about the evolution of the Isthmus of Panama. The road ahead is long, but each step ahead makes all that work in this magnificent feat feel proud of being part of this history-making effort. Everyone works day and night, rain or shine, expecting to reach that great day when we present the new canal to the world. The expanded Panama Canal, everyone's canal.